Today I'm going to be reviewing the VTech Connect and Sing Animal Train. This can be found in stores and online with a price range of $14.99 to $19.99. So far my biggest complaint is this toy comes with a lot of these little zip ties and they are really hard to take off. Okay, the first setting we're going to check is the sing along setting. Let's see what it could do.
Hello, Smarty Paws. Let's invite my friends to sing. Please connect the cargo to the train or press my friends to play.
Okay, let's see what happens if I press this guy.
The trumpet, my favorite horn. I've loved it since I was born. We can play in a band. We'll have fun together.
And let's check out the bunny rabbit.
I am a rabbit and I have 2 long ears. Carrots are my favorite. Yummy, yummy, yum. Go, party!
Okay, let's move on and we're gonna check out the quiz mode, which is our next setting.
Hello, Smarty Paws. Will you help answer some questions about my friend? Who has a great nose for sniffing? Please press my friend to answer.
Who do we think it is? Do we think it is the doggy? Let's check.
Sure. Can you find my friend, Riley the rabbit? Please press my friend to answer.
Let's see what happens if we don't correctly answer this question.
Can you find my friend, Riley the rabbit? Please press my friend to answer.
Okay, so I guess it looks like it just repeats itself.
Great! Who loves to eat fish? Please press my friend to answer.
Okay, let's move on to the next setting. The next setting is the make your own music setting.
Hello, Smarty Paws. Do you want to make your own music? Please connect the cargo to the train or press my friend to play.
All right, let's see what it does.
Concert!
Let's try a different one.
Piano.
All right, let's move on to the final setting, which is the meet the animal setting.
Hello, Smarty Paws. Press my friends or me to learn more about us. Please connect the cargo to the train or press one of my friends to play. Press these to hear me talk.
Okay, let's see.
Hi, everyone. I'm Riley the rabbit. Oh, hi. I'm Benny the dog. Hey, I'm Calla the cat. Meow, meow. I like to play with my friends. Do you?
Okay, well this toy advertises that there are over 100 songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases, and it looks like they actually might be telling the truth. So let's see this in action with the kids. Cat?
Yes.
Okay, press the cat.
Yahoo! Who likes playing the flute? Please press my friend to answer.
Who has the flute?
Dog.
Then press the dog. No.
Right.
I think
She
the
is in
bunny.
the orange cargo. Let's try again. Wait. Who likes playing the piano? Please press my friend to answer.
After a few days of play, it does seem like my 2-year-old is a lot more interested in this toy than my 1-year-old, which kind of surprises me. She really does enjoy pressing the animals and seeing what sounds they make or what they say. My biggest complaint is that the cargos, although it sounds very secure when they snap into place, they actually fall apart pretty easily, especially from the main cargos. So that's the only thing that's caused some frustration with my older daughter, but overall this has been a fun toy to have around. I would give it 3.5 out of 5 stars. For more toy reviews, please subscribe to my channel, Just Toy Reviews. See you next time!